All right, and if you want to start freelancing but don't really know where to begin, yeah, this might help. In this video, I'll show you how to actually use Perplexity AI to get freelance work done faster and smarter in 2026. First, quick idea. Perplexity is like a smarter search engine. It gives you direct answers, summaries, and real sources, which makes it perfect for research-based freelance work. Step one, choose a simple freelance skill. Things like content writing, research, script writing, or even data gathering. These work really well with Perplexity. Now, this is where it gets useful. Instead of spending hours searching manually, just ask Perplexity your topic. And it gives you structured answers instantly. You can take that information and turn it into blog posts, reports, summaries, or script, depending on what your client needs. Don't just copy results, rewrite, organize, and improve the content so it looks professional and original. Because your research is faster, you can deliver work quicker, which means better reviews and more clients over time. Once you get comfortable, you can take more projects, automate parts of your workflow, and basically scale your freelancing income. So yeah, Perplexity isn't just for searching, it's a powerful tool for freelancing if you use it right. Start simple, keep improving, and build your skills step by step. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more practical guides coming soon. All right, so